Do you want more views on your videos? Well, in this video, we're going to look at how you can get more views on your videos and exactly what YouTube Shorts is. Don't forget, if you like this sort of video, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. YouTube Shorts is the new vertical format video. For YouTube Shorts, videos should be under 60 seconds. Use the hashtag Shorts in the description or the title. More about that in a second. YouTube has already rolled out Shorts to India and a few other countries. If you've had YouTube Shorts rolled out already in your country, when you go to the YouTube app, press the plus button, you will see Shorts and you can upload your video direct from the app. If you don't see YouTube Shorts in your app, have no fear, you can still upload YouTube Shorts. The method for doing this is very simple. Upload your vertical video as you would a normal video. You must add the title, description, thumbnail and tags as you would a normal video, but put Shorts in the description or the title. From my experience, I'm here in the UK, I have put it in the description and I found it works. It may take a few days before it reaches the YouTube Shorts shelf. YouTube call it a Shorts shelf, where once they find the video, they put it onto the Shorts shelf and then it is displayed to users. Shorts has not been officially released by YouTube worldwide. When any platform brings out something new or there's a new platform, it's a very good time to utilize the features or a very good time to get on the app. Most apps you'll find when they're new or they have new features that the algorithm will push those particular features. So don't go to sleep on this one. Obviously, your content has to be good for it to be pushed out to more users. YouTube are pushing it heavily is to compete with other apps, which will remain nameless. Don't go to sleep on this one. Go out and create with energy. Put your stuff out there. Utilize the YouTube Shorts. Subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. I produce videos weekly to help businesses, individual entrepreneurs, and creators just like yourself get online with video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.